Hi there, I'm Hotel Receptionist Tutor Gregory, and I'm excited to announce that we are now running London-based classroom classes in Hotel Receptionist and Opera PMS. I have 15 years industry experience and I have been training hotel receptionists for the past 7 years. I have worked for some of world-leading hotel chains as a hotel manager, including Marriott, Millennium and RAC. I'm really excited to bring this course to you, and I think it's a fantastic opportunity for anyone hoping to work in the hospitality industry. Throughout this course, I'll be giving you all the fundamentals on the hospitality industry, the role of the hotel receptions, and I'll be teaching you to use Opera PMS, which is the most widely used hotel software. You will learn how to check in, how to handle checkouts, how to make reservations, cashiering and much more. For further information about the course, check the link above to download the course brochure and see the full curriculum. Furthermore, anyone who enrolls onto the course will receive the online version completely free, so you can do some extra reading or revision in your spare time, and will be fully prepared for the mock and final exam. By completing this course, you will gain the confidence to apply for hotel receptionist roles, and it will give your CV a huge boost. In my time as a front of house manager, I was responsible for recruiting new staff, and any applications which featured a hotel receptionist or opera qualification would be my first choice. So the bundle is perfect for anyone looking for a job in the hotel industry. Spaces are limited, so sign up today to avoid disappointment. See you soon.